Ellie in Wineland presents The Art of Pairing Wine and Food. Welcome to a special holiday edition in which we explore the Thanksgiving Dinner Wine Pairings. We start with the salads and then look at 4 different turkey preparations with their matching sides, pairing them with the appropriate wine categories. And last, but certainly not least, we pair 11 of America's favorite pies. Arugula pear salad with blue cheese and walnuts, pair with Chilean Sauvignon Blanc. Spinach and dried cranberry salad with goat cheese, pair with German Riesling. Kale and shaved Brussels sprout salad with almonds, pair with New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. Arugula roasted beet salad with pomegranate and goat cheese, pair with Burgundy Chardonnay. Quinoa sweet potato salad with butternut squash, pair with Argentinian Malbec. Simply dressed frisée salad, pair with New Zealand Pinot Noir. Roasted beets goat cheese salad with pine nuts, pair with South African Cabernet Sauvignon. Fennel citrus salad, pair with Greek Assyrtiko. Mixed green avocado and pomegranate salad, pair with Barbaresco. And now it's turkey time. The turkey is traditional or roasted. So we're looking for a wine that's clean, crisp, herbaceous, and has citrus flavors. The dressing features sausage, sage, and apple. The potatoes are roasted with rosemary. The yams are mashed with pears and topped with almonds. The vegetables are garlic roasted broccoli. And the salad is mixed greens with goat cheese and vinaigrette. And the wine we're looking for is a New World Sauvignon Blanc or a Austrian Grüner Veltliner. Sauvignon Blanc is an international white grape variety that originated in France. It's long been used to make world-class wines from Bordeaux and the Loire Valley. In recent decades, Sauvignon Blanc has become an everyday favorite thanks to the New World winemakers of New Zealand. With its distinctive vivid aromas and zesty acidity, Sauvignon Blanc is easy to peg in a blind tasting of dry white wines. The wine's green, herbaceous, and fruity scents are sometimes accented with musky aromas, yet its flavors are consistently fresh and bright. Grüner Veltliner is the signature grape of Austria, where it takes about 30% of the country's vineyards. White wine grape variety grown primarily in Austria, Hungary, Slovakia, and the Czech Republic. While most wines are best enjoyed young, some selections are more complex, offering mineral notes and the ability to age and develop in the bottle. They offer light and refreshing flavors of citrus, stone fruit, and flowers, and a distinctive note of white pepper. And the top picks are Hunig Sauvignon Blanc, a pale straw wine with medium body, full acidity, and straightforward fruit flavors, mildly oaked, showing herbs and citrus on the palate, nice aromas, and a balanced, succulent mouthfeel, making this a great wine for family gathering. And for Grüner Veltliner, it's the Weißenkirchen. The texture is richly layered with flavors of vanilla, melons, and citrus. It is delightfully vibrant and fresh, yet with an extra dimension of complexity and varietal completeness. In our second preparation, the turkey is gourmet brined, and we're looking for a fruity, light, mild acid young wine. The dressing is with cornbread, chorizo, and jalapeno. The potatoes are spicy chipotle mashed. The yams are candied with marshmallows and pecans. The vegetables: green beans with fried shallots. The salad is cranberry pecan with feta cheese. And the type of wines to pair with that preparation are a New World Viognier or a sweet Riesling. Viognier is a rich, oily white wine that originated in the northern Rhone and is rapidly growing in popularity in California, Australia, and beyond. In its New World version, the regions are Australia, United States, South Africa, Argentina, and Chile. If you like Chardonnay, you'll like the weight of Viognier, and notice it's often a little softer on acidity, a bit lighter, and also more perfumed. It's most loved for its perfumed aromas of peach, tangerine, and honeysuckle. Viognier can also be oak-aged to add a rich, creamy taste with hints of vanilla. The Riesling is an aromatic white variety that can produce white wines ranging in style from bone-dry to very sweet. Germany is the world's most important producer of Riesling. It is rarely made with oak or blended with other grapes. Its dry wines showcase the varietal's pure green apple, citrus, and peach flavors with bright and refreshing acidity. The dominant flavors are lime, green apple, beeswax, jasmine, petroleum. And our top picks for these categories are Sauvon Estate Viognier. This wine has a very alluring aroma reminiscent of fresh Sierra meadow flowers with a hint of peach and honeysuckle. The flavors are rich and spicy, full-bodied and richly textured with a lingering finish, also sustainably farmed. And our Riesling pick is Chateau Saint Michel Harvest Select. Loaded with fresh Jonathan apple flavored fruit, the sweetness is nicely balanced by the fresh, natural acids. Highlights of cinnamon and caramel add further pleasure to a wine with wide appeal. In our third variation of a Thanksgiving dinner, the turkey is savory and smoked. The wine we're looking for is fruity, earthy, it has light spice and is medium in body. The dressing features sourdough bread, mushrooms, and bacon. The potatoes are garlic mashed with mushroom gravy. The yams are roasted with brewed vegetables. The choice of vegetables are Brussels sprouts roasted with balsamic vinaigrette. And the salad consists of pears, walnuts, and blue cheese. And the winning categories of wine here are Gamay Noir or Grenache. Gamay is a light-bodied red wine that's similar in taste to Pinot Noir. It grows primarily next to Burgundy, France, which is the Pinot Noir motherland, in a region called Beaujolais. Gamay wines are loved for their delicate floral aromas, subtle earthy notes, and surprising ability to pair with food. Flavors are blackcurrant, raspberry, violet, budding soil, banana. Grenache is rich, flavorful red wine. The French have championed this grape in the southern Rhone Valley, but its original home is Spain. The wines are light to medium-bodied with soft tannins and color, featuring flavors like stewed strawberry, grilled plum, leather, dried herbs, blood orange. Our top pick for Gamay is the Domaine La Thulier. Aromas of red fruit and woody finish abound in this 100% Gamay ruby red wine. Careful manual harvest and aging produce pleasant tannins and similar flavors to a Pinot Noir. And a little bit of a Grenache splurge is Robert Eden, a 2016 vintage from hand-picked grapes made with a unique recipe that allows the wine to mature for 18 months before bottling. The wine has a unique, silky, velvety texture with the perfect balance between fruit ripeness, acidity, and juice volume. And in our fourth variation, we go with a little bit more of a comfort food, deep-fried turkey. So the wine we're looking for here is oaky, medium to full-bodied, with a smooth finish. The dressing consists of celery, oyster, and thyme. The potatoes are in the shape of a gratin with Gouda. The yams are in a casserole with apples and almonds. And the choice of vegetables is a classic green bean casserole. The salad is carrot and raisin. And the wine pairing for this dinner would be with an Old World Sangiovese or a Cabernet Sauvignon. Sangiovese is a sensitive grape that takes in different stylistic expressions based on where it grows. Italy's most blended wine variety and the pride of the Tuscan regional wine Chianti. It is dry, medium to full body, with medium to high tannins and acidity. The flavors are cherry, roasted tomato, sweet balsamic, oregano, espresso. And as it comes to Cabernet Sauvignon, the world's most popular red wine grape is a natural cross between Cabernet Franc and Sauvignon Blanc from Bordeaux, France. Bordeaux is very much the OG Cabernet Sauvignon growing region. It's here where you'll find some of the most savory and age-worthy expressions of the grape. Cabs are usually dry, full-bodied, with medium to high tannins and medium acidity. The flavors are black cherry, black currant, cedar, baking spices, graphite. Here, the top pick for a Sangiovese is Casalino Brunello di Montalcino 2016. A dense, layered red with black cherry and plum, as well as toasted oak and walnut. Full-bodied and chewy with gorgeous fruit and intensity. A very structured and powerful red. Fantastic from that producer. And if you have to splurge anywhere in a wine pairing for a Thanksgiving dinner, let it be the Cabernet. Here we recommend Sullivan Rutherford Estate 2017. Dark cherry with hints of tobacco and cola. This wine has mineral and earthy undertone that complements the savory dark chocolate notes, which add to the depth and complexity of the wine. Each sip unlocks a new dimension that covers all senses. And now, let's look at America's 11 favorite Thanksgiving pies, paired with perfect wines. Pumpkin pie and Riesling. Riesling's honeyed notes pair well with the pie's holiday spices. Blueberry pie and California Cabernet. Rich and smooth, the flavors will pair nicely. sweet potato pie with Gewürztraminer. The wine adds a nice sweet note to the pie. Apple pie and Chardonnay. A rich Chardonnay pairs well with both the apple flavors and butter in the crust. Peanut butter pie and Pinot Noir. It's basically peanut butter and jelly in your mouth. Chocolate cream pie and Zinfandel. Chocolate cream pie is creamy and decadent, a perfect match for the rich, ripe Zinfandel. Lemon meringue pie and Pinot Grigio. The lemony citrus in the wine goes well with this tart pie. Key lime pie and Sauvignon Blanc. The citrus notes in the wine pair well with the citrus notes in the pie. Pear pie and Chenin Blanc. A wine known for pear flavors, Chenin Blanc will go well here. Pecan pie and port. This is a rich and sweet pie which needs a rich and sweet wine. Cherry pie and Gamay. The cherry flavors in both the wine and the pie work together beautifully. Thanks so much for watching, and whatever your choice of dishes and wine may be this Thanksgiving, I hope you have a phenomenal, delicious, and cozy holiday. Join us on a journey around the wine world and subscribe today if you want to become a true wine expert. Check out our other Wino One episodes. And remember, we are not drinking, we are learning. In Vino Veritas. Cheers, yours truly, Ellie.